Hey friends, it's Eric, and today we're going to talk about my most recent purchase of this deck box. Now, this is the biggest deck box that I found from East Oak. It's 180 gallons. It's a great size, and today I'm going to tell you about how I put it together, what I'm going to be using it for, and my overall thoughts on my purchase. I have all this outdoor furniture coming with cushions and everything, and these cushions are not supposed to get very wet. So if we have big rainstorms, you got to do something with these cushions. So I wanted the biggest box I could find for the deck, and I wanted to blend in and look really nice. And I found this one from East Oak. Now, upon first getting this, I was quite surprised how heavy this was. The quality here is top notch. It's very thick plastic, and I'm very happy with the build quality. Took me about hours to put this together. Probably half of that time is trying to fix my mistake. I actually forgot to install these little metal bars, and once you push these pieces together, it's really hard to take them apart. So really look closely at the instructions. Make sure you install these bars before you put the pieces together, because trying to get them in afterwards, it's not very easy. I was able to do it without taking the pieces apart. I had to hammer it in, probably broke a little piece of the plastic, which really didn't matter. But overall, the install went fairly easy. Just pay close attention to installing those metal bars. Two other things that I love about this is the hydraulic rods that help keep the lid open, or as you're pushing the lid up, it's going to complete the opening of the lid, and as you're shutting, it's gonna slowly lower that lid down so it's not slamming or not getting anyone's fingers in the way. So really like those hydraulic rods, very, very useful. And I also love that this is built that someone can actually sit on top of it, or a couple people. I'm a pretty heavy dude, and you can see here that it had no problems whatsoever holding me. This is probably not recommended, but I'm gonna try to sit on this. I'm a little heavy, I imagine, for this. Let's see what happens. Holds me pretty well. I wouldn't stand on this, but sitting on it feels actually pretty good. Now, my only minor con is the lock that comes with this is pretty much just a toy. They should just save their money and not provide the lock, because this lock is just a joke. So I highly recommend that you don't keep any valuables in here, because it's pretty easy to get in here, even with the lock and everything that comes with this. It's not very secure. Otherwise, the quality is top notch. I love the thick plastic. It feels great. I know it's going to last a very long time, and it's a perfect storage solution for all the pillows and whatnot that I have for the deck to be stored in here. You can see I put a couple pillows in here and they fit perfectly, and I can't wait to store things in here. Hope this video was helpful. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.